Okay, so today I'm looking at Monero. Monero has made some pretty big changes as of recently. As we can see here, Monero was in the $50 range with the 0.0116 Satoshis that you're seeing, like right there on the side. And then a couple of days later, this is the daily chart. It spiked all the way up here to about 0.316. Let's see what 0.316 is. $137. That's quite a bit of a jump from $50 or somewhere in that area. And then it pulled back and, it kept going. And you can see there was a lot of volume. See that little faded green bar? That's volume. So it pulled back down, and now it looks like it wants to work its way back up again. It pulled back down to the $70 range, and the $80 range is over here. And now it's trying to push up. So let's see what's going on here. Let's look at the charts because Monero has never been that high before. And as of recently, I'm starting to try to figure out common patterns where these, where the major stops, the major bounces, the major turnarounds, retracements, and all of that. So technically, this whole entire area here will be considered a consolidation area from my understanding. I'm very new to this and no one's really helping me. I'm just kind of picking this up as I go. And but here's where we were. And this is what I was talking about here. This is a 3-day chart right here. And you can see this thing just go boom, 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 and then straight down. And then boom, 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 boom. So Monero has made some really serious movements. And let's take it down to the 1-day chart. Oh, too much. 4-day, 4-hour. I'm sorry, 4-hour chart, and squeeze this in together. So I took the liberty of going ahead and mapping out what I'm seeing here. So if I decide to jump in on this, I can just trade the highs, the lows, the breakouts, and the stops. And when I say stops, I don't mean mine. I mean the stops that everyone else places when they think that the market is turning around and is going against them. Apparently, this is what the institutional traders do. They call it tricks, and they set their tricks up in certain zones. They map them out, so this way they can keep track of what they're doing. I'm assuming, and they play their little games like this, where you would take out people's stops who are shorting this, and it would also snatch up all those breakout traders, those who just jump in and decide they're going to hold forever, and then they get taken out too and pulled back down. And they can do that all in one candle, as you see right here. So here's the common areas where all this stuff seems to be happening. If you look right here, and this is what, 2016? You go all the way over here. The next time it made it up this high, and we're in 2017, and it's done it 3 times already. Here you can see that there's a long, at the start of each one of these, there's this long stretch of a green candle. And let me zoom in so we can see what I'm talking about right there. You can see it again. Let's see here. I'm gonna have to zoom back out and zoom back in. You can see it repeat process here, here, and here. So these are patterns. And also when it comes back down, it tends to want to hang out in these areas, these zones, after it's deciding what it's going to do. And here it came into this zone again, and to say, well, let's push it up again. Let's see if we can build some momentum so we can sell off and have a nice little sell off. And that's exactly what they did. And here we go again. But this time it went a little higher. And as we can see in this area here, I guess it's going to go up a little bit more. It'll probably go up to about here, maybe come back down. I have the feeling it's going to come back down in this green area, or for all intensive purposes of coming downwards, this will be a blue zone over here. It's like a neutral area. So I'm going to wait and see what happens, because as I start to gauge and understand how this system is working, I can place a trade in here when it starts going back up, and I'll know that in this pink area, I can play all the way up into here before I start selling.